Hi guys, welcome to Perseverance Software Training and Suit. Alright, so in this video we'll discuss the growth of a Python full stack developer. It's really good now, right? Python is having a wider audience. It's not only for development and in many other fields. All right, but let's discuss about the subfields of the software engineering where we can basically specialize. So the very first one is front-end developer, where this role helps us to develop user interface, all right, uh, which is all about our front-end component, the visual aspects of a website, and the part the user can see and interact with. So here, you know, we should acquire HTML, CSS, JavaScript expertise. All right. Then we should talk about backend developer. I mean, this is another role, right? So it is all about developing the backend of an application, which we call it as server side, where we have, we will connect to the databases, process the data, have some logics, and according to the logics, the responses will be seen by the user on the front end component. All right. So then we have full stack developer, who is basically responsible for developing both front end and back end of an application. All right. And then we have something like web developer, so who create web applications, so applications that runs on the browsers. Okay. All right. And then we have something like mobile app developer. So he's all about developing applications for the mobile devices. So we have something like Android or iOS operating systems, which only runs on mobiles. So the applications which only runs on those operating systems, which are mobile phone operating systems, are all about mobile app developments. So mobile app developer is responsible for developing the applications over there. And we have something like IoT, which is nothing but Internet of Things, the software for all kinds of devices. So we see, like, smart homes, driverless cars, etc. An example is Alexa, right? So IoT developer should be able to develop the platform, software, hardware, systems that allows these devices to work with. All right. Fine, guys. So these are all the roles which basically which can be specialized, right? Which are the subfields of a software engineer, right? Fine, guys. Thank you.